In this video, we will show you how to replace your Upstream O2 sensor. On this Ford Flex, you'll have two of these, one on each of your manifolds. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. Make your way to the Upstream O2 sensor and disconnect it from the wiring harness. To do that, you'll find that you have a small locking tab that you can easily squeeze in with your finger or use some pliers. We'll grab onto the other end, give it a little tug, and separate it. Every time you disconnect an electrical connector, just take a peek. If you see any funny colors, that's corrosion and it would need to be dealt with. Now we can start removing the O2 sensor from the exhaust manifold. To do that, you want to make sure you have an O2 sensor socket. It looks like this right here. A little swivel and an extension. Make our way right down inside here. Slide it over the O2 sensor and get it into place. Now we can turn this counterclockwise to remove it. Once you have it broken free, you can remove it by hand. There it is, friends. Let's get ready to install our Upstream O2 sensor. Start this in by hand. Now, once it feels as though it bottoms out against the pipe, just go ahead and snug it just a little further. Reconnect your Upstream O2 sensor. Give it a wiggle to make sure it's completely secured. Okay friends, we showed you how to do the front Upstream O2 sensor. The process will be the exact same thing for the rear Upstream O2 sensor. That will be located behind your rear intake, and you can just make your way right down along the passenger side corner of the engine. Now at this point, once your O2 sensor is installed, go ahead and hop inside the passenger compartment, start up the vehicle, and make sure you don't have a check engine light. After that, take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.